You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, including in German and Dutch, also in English. So, if you want to learn more names, including our fashion brand names, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So, this is our name from German originally, and it's pronounced in German, Klein. The Dutch pronunciation is very similar, it also exists in Dutch, Klein. In English, therefore, it looks like it should be said clean or Klein or Klein. No, in English it's similar, Klein, how to pronounce English pronunciation and German pronunciation, Klein, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.